Hi everyone, we're doing Mahi Way tutorial, the Chanda Mere Chanda part. Okay, so first when we start, there is some music, and after that music, onwards, we start steps. We are in this position. Now we're gonna move from right and right foot forward, and I move my waist also towards right and right, right and right. Right foot forward and backward. This is 2 times. After this, when we finish, now we take side towards facing left. So guys, this is my left side and this is my right side. Now my right profile is facing towards audience. Now right foot and right hand goes like this. Right foot goes forward, right. Now when I come back with the right foot, I do bend. How? Right, bend, right and bend. When I bend, I keep forward body and lifting my left leg. Now along with the right hand. Now at the same time, right goes back and left comes up. This position. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 times and 6. Now we take turn on the left. We turn on the left so we don't lose our position exact. Okay. After this, we come to folk step. Chanda, mere chanda. Left leg tap, right up. 1 and 2. Chanda. I point from my right hand. Chanda, mere chanda. Chanda, mere chanda. Left. 2. My left hand comes like this and we stop. Now from here only, तुझे कैसे, left side waist, कैसे मैं ये समझाऊं. I keep moving in this footwork. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. तुझे कैसे मैं ये समझाऊं. Now I'm gonna take step forward from the right. So guys, I take my right foot forward. Now I turn slightly towards left. Now I move my waist. We go right. See, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Waist goes up. 4 steps. मुझे लगती है तू. Now right hand, left over waist. मुझे लगती है तू कितनी प्यारी रे and 4. Now left leg stops at the last, and now we're gonna come back from same folk footwork. Now keep my hand like this, like this. Left, मुझे लगती है तू कितनी प्यारी. 3 times I take step back and 4th step I do this. Fine. Now right hand and I take circle from my left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. The side I turn, same side I move 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Now from the left, I turn from front both the times. Left and left, left and left. Hey, now that line comes to jo I saj ke. Again towards right, right hand, right. So guys, I do this, this. I right pushing down, left comes up, right down, like this. So, तुझो आई सज के. My hand comes forward after this and stops, this and stops. This is 3 times. तुझो आई सज के. I take my right foot forward and front, forward and front. तुझो आई सज के, मेहंदी रच के, चल बच के. Now I stay here. Left hand on head and oh सोनी ये ठुमका forwards. Now 2 more time. कितनों का खाए दज के ठुमका and turn on left. Now signature line. Everybody say. Right foot back, left foot back. Now I take my right. See, I start like this. Now I have to bend that much. That's it. Not stretching too much that side. So, Sony. So I cross that much. Sony. Sony. Or if you want to extend, you go Sony, Sony. Come back. Now left like this. I face diagonal. Roll. So left to right roll. Aja mahi ve. Jind mahi ve. Up. 2, 3 and up. Same again. Sony. With Sony. With Aja mahi ve. Jind mahi ve. I push up. Now right, right, back. Sony. I flick and reverse, flick and reverse. 1 and 2. Now guys, watch my legs. I lift my heel and I twist towards left. I bend up first. Now I twist towards left, left, left and left. My left hand like this, right over punch position. Now I we open the lock the same way. I twist my wrist also. Aja mahi ve, jind mahi ve. Sony, Sony, Aja mahi ve. 4 and I stop like this. You can stop like this, girls, or you can lock like this also. You have, or you can stop like this as well. Thank you.